Yes, a day after the biggest night in Hollywood, we're still talking about the Oscars. Not just the winners, but the fashion as well. CNN's Alina Cho has the details.
The Oscars, the glitz, the glamour, where arguably the most important words of the night are not this.
The Oscar goes to...
But this.
What are you wearing, Octavia? What are you wearing? What are you wearing?
Halle Berry in Versace.
Yeah, I heard you wanted to look like a Bond girl. Is that true?
I did.
Nicole Kidman in Loren Scott. And Jessica Chastain in Giorgio Armani.
The dress reminded me of, it was a Happy Birthday, Mr. President kind of dress.
Old Hollywood glamour on full display. Fashion favorite Anne Hathaway turned up in Prada, deciding on it just 3 hours before the show.
And I really like the back.
Wow, I really like the back too. That is, can we do that again?
Yes.
Wow.
During the show, she changed into Armani. Jennifer Lawrence wore, you guessed it, Dior Haute Couture. But it was this moment that caught everyone's eye.
And she told me before that she was going to do that because it would guarantee a standing ovation.
Jennifer Aniston and Sally Field wore signature red Valentino.
Do you still feel pressure about what to wear at these things?
Oh my God, yes. We didn't used to feel any pressure at all. In the old days, literally, you just walked in a store and got a dress and put it on.
But don't tell that to Quvenzhané Wallis. She wore...
I am wearing Amore Jr. I think that's how I said it.
Actually, Giorgio Armani. Custom made, with an accessory no other nominee had. A doggy badge. Ah, the Oscars. The most expensive, glamorous, over-the-top fashion on the planet. Until next year, Alina Cho, CNN, Hollywood.